Welcome to the Great Basin Fire Potential Briefing for Friday, June 3rd. We will continue to have gusty winds starting today and tomorrow over the southern areas of the Great Basin as a cold front pushes into the western and northern areas. We will also have gusty winds elsewhere across the Great Basin, but it's these southern areas where the gusty winds will combine with lower relative humidity and an area of critically dry fuels. Further north, we'll have some isolated showers popping up today in the far north, and by Saturday and Sunday, they really expand and even push further south as that cold front pushes in with cooler temperatures and higher humidities region-wide going through the weekend. Over the last 24 hours, we did have a couple lightning strikes over parts of central Idaho and a few showers over central and eastern Idaho into Wyoming, but very minimal with respect to precipitation. Great Basin fire activity yesterday was light, with only a couple new smaller fires reported in Utah and Nevada. Over the last 7 to 14 days, precipitation again has remained over the northern half of the Great Basin, and this is also where we will see additional precipitation going through the weekend. Drier conditions continue over western and southern areas of the Great Basin. Our ERCs in these drier areas in the south, ERCs are near record highs for parts of south central Utah and southern Nevada, and are also near or just above the 90th percentile. Over western areas where drier conditions have continued, ERCs are well above normal, but still well shy of the 80th or 90th percentile and the maximums for the time of year. The satellite loop for this morning shows the ridge of high pressure that's been dominating the Great Basin the last couple of days is now moving over eastern areas with a stronger trough of low pressure off the west coast. This is what will push in and increase winds today and also bring cooler temperatures and showers. Later today, again, here's the weather pattern. We will see those showers, isolated showers developing over northern areas with breezy winds down south. We have no high risk today in southern areas as winds will be generally between about 20 and 30 miles per hour. Could see a couple spots peak above 30 miles per hour, but in any case, it's a marginal wind event for southern areas. You can see the RHs are in the single digits to low teens in the south, corresponding to those gusty winds, again, mostly in the 20s to near 30 miles per hour. We will also see gusty winds over parts of western Nevada into the Sierra Front, but relative humidity will remain above about 15 to 20%. And also some breezy winds further north in areas that obviously RHs are quite a bit higher and fuels are not critical. As we move into Saturday, this first impulse of the cold front moves in, so we will see significantly more cloud cover for northern areas and also cooler temperatures and some additional showers. We will see gusty winds for southern areas. Again, no high risk on Saturday, although parts of the Arizona Strip could see winds a little bit stronger on Saturday than what we'll see today. So we will continue to monitor that for any potential high risk, but for the meantime, it still looks like those winds will remain fairly marginal. Here are the relative humidities. Relative humidities also on Saturday will be increasing area-wide, so instead of single-digit RHs in the south, we will see RHs between 10 and 15%. So certainly still dry, but higher than what we've seen. And again, those winds could be a little bit stronger on Saturday for the Arizona Strip and southern Utah with some gusts around 35 miles per hour. So we will monitor that, but again, with the increase in RH, things will be somewhat marginal in the south. Gusty winds still continue along the Sierra Front and western Nevada, but again, RH is even quite a bit higher tomorrow than what we'll see today. Moving on to Sunday, that first impulse moves through. We'll still keep unsettled weather over northern areas, so showers and occasional thunderstorms, and then still drier conditions down south. No high risk for Sunday, as winds will be tapering off on Sunday in the south. We will see stronger winds over the northern half of the Great Basin. We'll see gusts likely in the 30s to even above 40 miles per hour, but relative humidity will still be above 25 or 30%, and also with some shower activity. Drier conditions in the south, but again, RHs go up a little bit more on Sunday, so RH is more around 15% in the far south. Temperatures will be cooling in the north as we go from today into tomorrow. Again, those temperatures dropping into the 50s and will remain warm over southern areas, but start to cool a little bit tomorrow along the Sierra Front. Forecast amounts of precipitation here show obviously over central Idaho, parts of the northern Sierra getting the brunt of the moisture, and we're kind of getting skirted here on the southern edge, but we will at least see some showers and occasional thunderstorms. As we go into Monday, that trough moves off to the east. We will see still westerly flow and drier conditions across the Great Basin with no high risk. Similar on Tuesday, drier, slightly warmer conditions. And then going into Wednesday and Thursday, we might see a change with some moisture moving up from the south. So we could see some showers and thunderstorms over parts of the Arizona Strip in southern Utah. Right now, this moisture does not look overly impressive, so we could just have some lighter showers and thunderstorms. So we'll have to watch that to see if we have any risk of lightning starting new starts in areas of the south that are still quite dry. This is kind of a pre-monsoon or well pre-monsoon, just a little surge of moisture to give us enough for some activity. 7-day precip amounts really don't change much from the 3-day. Again, you can start to see that precipitation moving into New Mexico and Arizona, and will push into parts of southern Utah, but right now looks pretty spotty. The 8 to 14-day outlook shows warm and dry conditions going from June 10th through the 16th. So we are again looking at that change in the weather pattern a little bit, bringing us warmer and drier conditions even as far north as Idaho and Wyoming. That concludes our webcast for today. Check back on Monday for the latest updates. Actually, on Sunday, we will be starting our 7-day operations, so you will see 7-day webcasts starting this Sunday. Have a great day.